Welcome back. Today's video we would be discussing about marketing environment, then components of marketing environment, environmental analysis, environment specific to your firm, and lastly the contemporary Indian marketing environment. So let us move into understanding the significance of marketing environment. Environment plays vital role in marketing, and one need to understand the environment thoroughly. All business opportunities are embedded in the environment, which also possesses threat. So, and therefore, we need to have a right strategy to counter it. Then analysis of various options available for a given environment, then shortlisting the few from the many what we have, and working on the shortlisting few is very crucial for business sustainability. Now let us move into the components of marketing environment. See, marketing environment is the combination of both internal and external environments. The internal environment is company specific and which includes owners, workers, machines, materials, etc. We will go in detail in the subsequent slides. The external environment, on the other hand, constitutes factors and forces which are external to the business and on which the marketer has little or no control. So the words to be noted here is little and no control. And the external environment, basically they are into micro and macro in nature. Then now what is internal environment? As I said, internal environment refers to the culture, members, events and factors within an organization that has the ability to influence the decisions of the organization, especially the behavior of its human resource. Internal environment generally consists of those elements that exist within or inside the organization, such as physical resources, financial resources, human resources, information resources, technological resources, organization's goodwill, corporate culture, and so on. These are all constitutes the internal environment. Now let us move to external environment. What is external environment? External environment is composed of all the outside factors. Underline outside factors or the influences that impact the operation of business. See, any outside factor which has an impact on the decision what we take in operating the business and running a business comes under external environment. The business must act or react to keep its flow of operations. It means we need to prepare for any impact of an external environment on our business so that it continuously, smoothly runs. And as I said in this previous slide, the external environment can be broken down into two types, the micro environment and macro environment. The micro or the task environment is also specific to the business but external. It consists of factors engaged in production and distribution. On the other hand, the macro includes larger societal forces which affect society as a whole. The broad environment, that is external environment, macro environment, is made up of 6 components, and they are demographic, economic, physical, technological, political, legal, social, and cultural environments. These are the six components of macro environment, which is an external environment. Now let us go in detail about each of these six external environments. The first one is demographic environment. Demography is the study of human populations in terms of size, destiny, location, age, gender, race, occupation, and other statistics. They are all related to the population. This is the very important factor that helps a marketeer to divide the population into different market segments and market targets. The target markets based on their taste. Demographic data also helps in preparing geographical marketing plans, age and sex-wise plans, etc. These are all the factors which a marketeer should keep in mind while formulating a strategy. The second one is economic environment. Economic environment is those macro factors that affect consumer buying power and spending patterns. Sometimes a consumer tend to buy more or spend more during festival seasons or during, whenever he gets an increment or a pay hike, etc. That kind of an environment. It includes the level of income, policies, and nature of economy, economic resources, trade cycles, distribution of income and wealth, etc. When the income of a family or a country, that is the per capita income, changes, it also changes the buying behavior and spending pattern of the family or the country. So as a marketeer, one need to have thorough understanding and follow up of economic environment in which he is conducting business. The next is natural environment. The natural environment involves the natural resources that are needed as inputs by the marketeers, or they are affected by marketing activities. So the marketer should be aware of several trends in the natural environment. The seasonal changes, what happens, that one should be ready to cope up. Technological environment. Look, technological forces are perhaps the most dramatic forces which are changing very rapidly. So these macro environmental forces create a new product, new markets, and new marketing opportunities for marketers. As the technology changes, you have a new opportunity, a new set of segments, new set of markets, physical markets, new set of customers, etc. Political environment, which is very, very important. It includes government actions, government legislation, public policies and acts which affect the operations of a company or a business. We have seen this impact of political environment in India, which is a democratic country. These forces may affect an organization on a local, regional, national, or international level, depending upon the policies taken by the local, regional, or a national political entity. So the marketeers and business management, they need to pay very close attention to the political forces and judge how government actions which will affect their company. Next is legal environment or business legislation, which is very, very important. We all need to abide to it and have to have a close eye on this. They are corporate affairs, tax laws, competition or the corporate protection, what we call, consumer protection, employee protection, labor legislation, sectorial protection, environment protection, regulation on products, packaging and pricing, regulation on distribution and trade practices, protecting national firms against the foreign firms, that is make in India, be vocal on local things, etc. So one need to have a eye, constant eye on these factors, so that the decisions taken by a company or as a marketeer will negate all the important events of these legislations. Then comes cultural environment. This is also a big factor, especially in countries like us, India. Cultural factors in heritage, living styles, religion, etc. also affect companies' marketing strategy. Then social responsibility also becomes a part of marketing, and it is slowly emerging as a marketing literature itself. Then socially responsible marketing is the business. Firms should take the lead in eliminating socially harmful products. So now we have understood what is marketing environment, what are the components of marketing environment, that is internal and external. In external we have got micro and macro, and we have understood all the detail, the external factors like macro factors, etc. in detail. Now let us move to the next topic, environment analysis. First of all, why environment analysis is required? Because environmental analysis is required to make a marketing strategy by considering the factors like where the environment is heading, what events and trends are emerging, what are opportunities and threats present in these trends, etc. Study of these aspects are very, very important. One need to analyze these factors in detail in order to have a sustained business. And you should access the scope or various opportunities and taking actions on possible threats of the which business environment possesses. You have to formulate right marketing strategy and identify the big picture in all these things. Then there are various techniques which are being used for environment analysis. They are both qualitative and quantitative, that is data based appraisals. And they are scenario planning, scenario building, scenario writing, and problem situation models, Delphi studies, ongoing MIS, that is management information system, sales forecasting techniques, trend analysis and benchmarking, economic models and regression analysis. These are few examples of the techniques being used in analyzing a particular environment. Now let us move to environment which is very specific to the firm. So the environmental components which are very specific to the firm are the market in which they are into and the demand, the consumer and their requirements, industry and competition, government policies specific to the industry, supply related factors, trade environment and distribution factors, influence of society upon business. These are major components which are very specific in nature to a specific firms, and one need to have a alternate strategy to counter the threats from these factors. In the recent times, if you recollect, the technology, digitization and deglobalization trends are major factors which are influencing the environment. So now let us move to the last topic, which is contemporary Indian marketing environment. It means the current business environment in India. We all know that India is going through phenomenal changes presently, and the government has taken many reforms in recent years, over the last couple of years. They are Aadhaar and direct benefit transfer, digitization, demonetization, GST, bankruptcy code, recapitalizing PSBs, reforms towards ease of doing business. They are all very tough environment, but it is full of opportunities. So as a marketer or as a businessman, I need to take actions in order to meet the challenges posed by these current factors of business environment in order to have a long, prospering and sustainable business. As you are aware, the current government in India have given a basket full of specific schemes and initiatives. Some of them are Swachh Bharat Mission, Jan Dhan Yojana, Ujjwala, Skill India, Startup India, Make in India, Digital India, Bheem app, and Jan Dhan Aadhaar and mobile combination, JAM, what we call it as. So, the current business environment in India is also posing many challenges to the marketing people. And they are, see, the disruptions have become a normal way of life. So, one need to have a strategic response to counter it, which is very important. Then delivering value becomes more crucial. You need to deliver value, not simply a service or a product. So you need to be an effective player in digital economy. Otherwise you are out. The managing data and observing ethical norms is very, very important. And as there is an opportunity, there is also a competition. As one gets more and more opportunities, they will have to counter more and more competition as well. Apart from the challenges of the current business environment which India has, there are certain concerns which we all know. They are job situation, which is not only creating new jobs but even protecting the existing jobs as well. Make in India concept did not really achieve the desired results. What I hear, basic probably the policies with respect to labor, land acquisition, infrastructure, logistics issues are some of the major concern factors or impediments for Make in India. The biggest point which I personally feel is slowing down of the investments. That is issues slowing down the GDP as well. There is no investments at all, whether it is from the private or from the government. In spite of all these things, the world, external world, is seeing India as a big opportunity. How they view India is, they are viewing India as an emerging global economic power with abundance of skill, talent, and intellectual strength. And the economy is offering big opportunities, and it is a very attractive place for FDI, and it has a very attractive place for manufacturing. Oh, thank you, gentlemen. Now it is the time. I request you all to press the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and press notification button for information on upcoming videos.